This is the brainstem, which helps with homeostasis and conveying messages to your body. This is the frontal lobe that deals with voluntary movement, expressive language, and higher level executive functions. This is the temporal lobe, processing auditory info and encoding of memory. This is the occipital lobe, associated with spatial awareness, distance and depth perception, color determination, and memory formation. This is the parietal lobe, vital for sensory perception and management of senses. This portion right here is the motor cortex, responsible for planning and production of voluntary movements. And this portion right here is the sensory cortex, which deals with the 5 major senses. This is Wernicke's area, supports component of speech production. In this area right here is Broca's area, involved in language comprehension and motor-related activities associated with hand movements. This is the thalamus, your body's relay station, where information is processed through your thalamus. This is the hypothalamus, which helps manage your body temperature, hunger, thirst, mood, and sleep and wake cycle. This is your amygdala, a major processing center for emotions. This is your hippocampus, involved in memory, learning, and emotion, holds short-term memory and transfers to long-term memory. This is the cerebellum, which is also called the little brain, which is responsible for coordination and movement, maintaining posture and balance, and motor learning. This is the reticular formation, which regulates activity throughout the brain. This is the pons, which its functions include sensation and motor function. This is the pituitary gland, which is a growth hormone which regulates growth. This is the medulla, which controls heart rate, breathing, blood pressure, and more involuntary movement. This is the spinal cord, which sends motor commands from brain to the body and sends sensory info. This is the corpus callosum, which allows the left and right brain hemispheres to communicate. This is the limbic system, which deals with lower level emotional processing of input from sensory systems. The insides would be cerebral cortex, which is essentially gray matter.